If you are wondering how to download PUBG mobile on your laptop for free, so then you are in the right place.
Stop it.
What's going on, guys? It's Jason here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to download PUBG mobile on your laptop for free, so it doesn't cost money at all. So let's just get right into it. So first you have to go to this website. It's called Gaming Loop. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Then you guys have to download it. Then you guys have to launch it, and it will bring you to this page, and it will go to my game. Then you have to press download. You have to download it. It will say download here. You have to download it. Then you can press play. Then it will bring you to this page. This is where you can play PUBG. So I'm actually gonna play one round to tell you guys it actually worked. I don't know why my server's in Asia. I have no idea why mine is in Asia. Can I change it? Okay, great, I can change it. Oh, other places have like higher ping, I think. Let's see. Yeah, we're just gonna go with Asia first. Okay, I'm just gonna save. I haven't been playing PUBG for a while, so yeah, I'm gonna play a bit. I'm not gonna play the whole thing, so you guys can see it actually work. And if it actually helped you, then be sure to subscribe and like this video. That would be great. And share it with your friend, so your friend know how to download it, so he or she can play with you. That would be great. Okay, so guys, I'm in a game. I'm just not gonna care about that stuff. I'm gonna jump by myself, and I'm gonna do everything by myself. Wait, I forgot the control. Okay, there we go. Oh, that he's gonna jump anyway. So basically, the control is gonna be on your right side. You guys can see it now, cause the screen is like only this area. So yeah, it will be at the side, so you guys can see it. And this is quite a big map compared to Fortnite, and everything is different about this game from Fortnite. So if you play Fortnite before, you guys can go check out this game. And I'm actually gonna shoot a gun just so you guys know it works. See, it works. See, the mouse is not that good though. I mean the sensitivity. Okay guys, there's a gun here. I'm gonna pick it up. Then see it work. Wait, just give me a second. Where's the ammo? See it work. So those guys are probably gonna kill me for giving away their spot, but I don't care, cause this is just for a video. So as you guys seen, it worked. You guys can shoot it, you guys can play around with it, you guys can add your friend on it. If they are playing on mobile, then you can add them, but if they are playing on PC, then you can add them. So this is like a PC version of mobile, if you get what I mean. So yeah, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That would be great, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.